Good morning. Myself, Dr. Bharat Kardak from Mukinpur village of Ahmednagar district in Maharashtra. Ahmednagar district is known for its sugar production. And today I am going to talk you some fascinating things about sugar molecule. Technically, sugar is sucrose. The sugar which we consume in everyday life is a 99.7% of sucrose. Another traditional format, which is known as jaggery, which comes in a cube of 1 kilogram or half kilogram, that is also sucrose. But it contains something more than sucrose, and that more than sucrose brings the brownish color to this product. This brownish color has very interesting medicinal values. It contains some flavonoids, it contains many antioxidants, and it contains one brownish pigment, that is anthocyanin. This anthocyanin brings the brown color to the jaggery. Technically speaking, sugar and jaggery are similar products, but sugar contains only sucrose and jaggery contains sucrose plus flavonoids, alkaloids, phenolic compounds, and a very important anthocyanin. Sugar is a product of crystallization process. In crystallization, when the sucrose molecule forms crystal, everything else is being eliminated. So all these important molecules are going into the molasses, which are not being consumed by us in the format of white sugar. But in case of jaggery, jaggery is a product of evaporation. In evaporation, everything present in the sugarcane juice is evaporated, the water is removed, and everything else remains with the sucrose. That's why it contains only 80 to 90% of sucrose and 10 to 20% other molecules. This brings medicinal value to the jaggery. And we are consuming jaggery since ages. Today, we are talking about a new theme, that is know your food, know your farmer, know your fertilizer, know your finances, and hence know your future. That is KYF. This is the key word for today's life. And in this regard, we are bringing you a new product, FeelGud Jaggery, in the format of very small cubes of 15 grams each. We will also bring some small cubes of 8 to 10 grams in near future. What is the beauty of this product? This product can be carried with you wherever you go. It is like a mobile recharge for your body, because this sucrose molecule is a source of energy, and this source of energy is a slow energy releasing material. So when you eat sugar, the energy is being directly utilized by your body, but in a very fast manner. Jaggery releases energy in a slow manner, and that's why this is a long lasting energy recharger for your body. What we recommend is, if you take this in your vehicle, or you keep this in your office, or you keep it at your workplace, whenever you feel hungry, or whenever you have some free time, you eat this jaggery with sips of hot water. This will increase your digestion, this will reduce your anxiety, and this will recharge you for a longer time. Newasa Taluka Agro Producer Company is bringing this product in a format of half kg material of this very modern nice pouch. This pouch is made up of eco-friendly craft paper, and this pouch contains around 35 such a small cubes. If you consume one cube every day, this will give you a wonderful experience of jaggery. And hence, in our continuous effort to connect good quality farm produce to our respected customers, we recommend you to buy this product and use it, not only for your own personal consumption, but we also request you to gift this pack wherever it is possible, either in your personal life or in your corporate life. You can use this as a corporate gift, you can use it as an occasional gift, and you can spread this happiness of jaggery, the Indian traditional sugar, in a very convenient and ready to use format. Thank you very much.